I don't see energy. Hi.
Hi.
Okay, y'all are still dead, but fine. Y'all will get that. Y'all will get that energy later.
As far as I can see, all clap. Please clap.
I thought, why not pass around? Why not write a poem in class or like in the AV room? Okay. Okay, today we are here to celebrate World Poetry Day. And how about we all write a poem here in class? What do you guys think? Fair enough?
वेगून जावे भूतकाळाची ओझी नकोत भविष्याची नको ती चिंता वर्तमानाच्या या क्षणात जगू गवसली नवी एकमत मिटलेल्या पाणी
थोड़ा सा ठहर जाता था देन योर स्माइल इट डिडंट अराइव लाउड बस धीरे से हुआ जैसे सुबह किसी को जगाए भी ना You shut up. You especially shut up. Hey, no. No.
मुझे नहीं पता
Thank you.
Thank you for ruining everything for us. Thank you very much.
Well, I guess my poem was pretty self-explanatory.
Wait, was she the one, right? The white dress one?
Say hi.
The
Believe
one.
my eyes every time.
What do you...
Say hi.
No, she actually wore white
Say
dress.
hi.
She told me about that.
Say
She
hi.
know.
Yeah.
Every time
Yeah.
Jamil says
Yeah, I
something
know.
like that, we all are scared.
No. No.
I always have my nose and she's
words.
white.
No, in this one
So it's like we don't understand each other, but then food is yeah.
And she said something like corn of pie, something.
Yeah. I so in Marathi I asked them as a waiter like तुम्हाला काय पाहिजे? So they पाहिजे like कोणाचा पाय म्हणतात तुम्हाला?
That was really iconic, and I was like. Yeah, so I just remembered that, and I was like, if I have to present Konkani lines, I have to present the best of it, and so that was it because I think all can relate to it. Like we all.
Aunties and all, they're gonna tell you that they are gonna try in their broken English, Hindi, to tell you, they will tell you something. It will be right, but you won't understand. Even if you do, they are trying their best.
And they get mad when the other person doesn't understand. Okay.
I swear.
And this Shiksha wala uncle said, and I quote, okay, he's like, Keshaha. I'm like, uncle, no, boy, I'm like, Keshaha. He meant Keshaha. I was like, and I had to go and think about my actions after that. I was like, what the fuck? And now every time I go, he starts to talk to me in Juda Buddha English. He said, fuck Konkani. And he talks to me in English now, which I feel bad. I just think about my actions because what the fuck was I thinking? And I was so happy to reply back. I'm like, why is he asking about me?
Uncle will never forget you now. It's always where you go and not how are you.
Exactly.
Also, another thing is every morning, but every day I hear this one thing. He calls his laborers up, and he's like kana kaya, and I'm like, what is this thing? Every morning,
I swear.
It's not even nashta. Fine, you don't say nashta, like fair enough, but it's like kana kaya, and I every kana kaya. And every time I feel like correcting him, but I'm like, no, I don't want to stop this entertainment. I don't stop him.
You want another instance? So it was like we go to Valentine, right? So my brother is someone who's going to have fun talking to people. Like we are the same people in different phones. But with him, what happened once was like, so we were going from Valankani to the railway station, okay? And mind you, this rickshawala uncle does not understand what we are talking. He does not, okay? My brother is holding a conversation with him for 1 hour straight. He is fucking with him, okay? He's saying something back. I have a video. It's like he said something thamba. He's like thamba, hame kaya ko. So the entire ride went like that. He kept on fucking, and the uncle was also enjoying. God knows what he was saying. I was like, I don't know what he was saying, and we just went along with it. It went on for like 1 hour, and then he's calling us back with him the next time. So at least like one of them enjoyed it, and it was not us. It was just them.
I mean, out of context, this sounds very wrong.
Stop, and he's like, one line Konkani, one line English. This is so
Simple words are okay.
No, you're doing one line,
You
one.
do that a lot actually.
Yeah.
From Konkani to Hindi out of nowhere and then English, and then if you just taken it like, what do you mean?
It happens. You go to the market when you're talking Konkani, they just look at you.
They'll charge you even more.
If you speak in Konkani?
No.
accent.
Ah, yeah, fair enough. They can figure it out.
Of mine over, and she first of all came, and when she was leaving, she goes to my mother and she goes, आपके ईद के जनाजे में बहुत मजा आया.
What is the
Please,
जश्न celebration. She's like, आपके ईद के जनाजे में बहुत मजा आया. My mother went into a temporary shock for a minute.
What friends are you getting at home?
Why? Who did he even invite Halima?
No, not from
I
this
feel
college.
bad for auntie man. Like,
She cannot even blame it on auto.
Janaza.
I'll give her that she tried, but janaza. Jashna ka
No,
janaza.
no, what happened after that?
Then she looked at me and I'm like, Mama, Jashna. She means Jashna.
You're like, Mama, celebration. Celebration.
And like we have this thing where we sit on the floor on Eid. Like we get the whole carpet.
Iftar.
And no, that's iftar is different. This is Eid. And so
Mine is pending.
I know. You're the host. You need to talk the most. Just relax.
So this friend of mine, like she sat next to me and she's whispering something to me. And I'm like, I cannot hear her because my parents are talking at one side. Everyone is talking. So I'm like, what? What are you saying? And she's like, she got frustrated and then she just looks at me because she's trying to speak Urdu. And she's like, मेरे तशरीफ में दर्द हो रहा है इतना बैठना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे.
Tashreef.
I was like, what? And everyone stopped and looked at her.
It's the same person.
Tashreef is your ass.
So that is just when doubling up.
Yeah, poor thing, she was trying, so I couldn't even be mad.
But did you correct her?
She's Christian. Oh no. I did, but it was too late. Everyone already
What was
heard.
the reaction when she realized she said the wrong words?
She's like, oh, I'm sorry. She's like, in my defense, you said happy Ash Wednesday or so. I didn't know what it was.
Happy as anything.
She was planning it all this while.
People constantly wish you Happy Good Friday.
Yeah, happy
I swear to
And
God.
I'm like, you don't wish them. But why is it Good Friday then? And I say, yeah, it's because I'm glad Jesus died. That's why it's Good Friday.
Yeah, that's it.
Happy Good Friday.
This is right. So we tried something new in the fact that we tried to combine everything together. Peace and unity with regards to the performance and the poem. Cultural difference because this has two different languages, that is English and Hindi. Okay? And we don't have a title for this yet. But this is how it goes.
आज सुबह वक्त भी था, जरिया भी था, लेकिन कोई अपना नहीं था. इसलिए बस एक ख्याल आया.
Should I start? Or should I go? Will I be able to start back my flow? Who do I have? Where will I go?
और ये ज़रूरी नहीं कि कहीं से निकल कर जाने से ही कुछ मिल जाता है. कभी कभी कमरे के एक कोने में ही दुनिया का सारा सुख समा जाता है.
I think I should take a step. Give myself a reminder of who I truly am.
बहुत खूब सोचा है तुमने, क्योंकि उम्मीद और जुनून तुम्हारे अपने हैं. ये ख्वाब और ये फ्लो जिसकी तुम बात कर रही हो, ये तुम्हारे अपने हैं. चारों ओर दीवारों में कैद होकर भी
In the speech he used, and I was like, damn, mind blowing. I'm going to use it. It sat with me personally. And the thing is, we wrote it from a perspective where the entire poem, when I said that this line that I said that You may think you'll be alone, but look around, there's always someone that shares the same route as you. This came from a fact that both of us went through something at the same time, and it was like the biggest downfall that we had, to a point that we thought there's no coming out of it. And when I'm saying that, in my line, there's another line that I said that I'm exactly who I think I am. Okay, I meant that. Because that was a reminder to myself that, because I was scared, I was like, okay, will I bounce back? Will I do something? Will I go out? Will I make friends? Will I be on my feet again? And when I'm saying for a fact that I'm somebody who even talks to the people, they're like, you know what? Yes, you will. And you do it also. So the last phrase by Shah Rukh Khan was like that 8 line that actually helped us remember that who we are and where we come from and what we can be. So, any comments?
ज़रा ठहर जाना, जब दुनिया और दुनियादारी से वक्त मिले तो मुझे याद कर लेना। भागते हुए वक्त से कुछ लम्हे लेकर मेरा नाम फिर से अपनी किताब में लिख लेना। जब मेरी याद आंसू बनकर बहे तो उन्हें बहने देना। हर बार जब मुझसे लड़कर जाओ तो ज़रा सोच लेना, ये सफ़र काफ़ी अकेला है मेरा। जब शाम ढले तो पीछे बगीचे में एक कुर्सी है, तो किताब खोल मेरा नाम अपने आंसुओं से मिटा देना। ज़रा रुक जाना, अगली दफ़ा आओ तो गुलाब नहीं मोगरा लाना। धीमी खुशबू वाला इत्र भी लगाना, ज़रा ठहर जाना। जब अगली दफ़ा आओ तो सफ़ेद कपड़े ना पहनना, वो काफ़ी है मेरे पास। इस बार कुछ रंग बिरंगा पहनना। तो सुनो, जब फिर आओ, अच्छा 2 मिनट और, क्योंकि यहाँ इतना सुकून है कि डर लगता है। तुम्हारा सहारा मेरी कब्र को अच्छा लगता है।
Don't always reach the ones who need them. And we watch from safe spaces, telling ourselves we care. Maybe we do, but not enough to see it fully. Not enough to stop and really see that. Not really. It becomes news, a headline, a number, and slowly a person turns into something distant.
How was Cape today? I need more content, please.
It was good overall, it was funny, it was interactive, our performances went well. For once, I don't know, we could relate to a lot of stuff, I would say.
Yeah.
I mean, especially the Konkani language.
Yes, I know, right?
आपको बहुत अच्छा content मिला.